Welcome to Crocheting with ZITELLE. Today we're going to learn how to make a treble crochet, or also known as the triple crochet. The treble crochet is a basic crochet stitch that begins with 2 yarn overs compared to the 1 yarn over of a double crochet. The triple crochet is a little taller than the double crochet. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is make your slip knot. After you make your slip knot, you want to make your chain. If you don't know how to make a slip knot or a chain, you can refer back to ZITELLE's channel where we have videos of both. Then you're going to yarn over twice and insert your hook into the 4th chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. After you insert your hook into the 4th chain, you're going to yarn over again and pull through the chain, leaving 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over again, and you're gonna pull through 2. Yarn over again, pull through 2 more. Yarn over again, pull through 2 more. So you're pulling through 2 a total of 3 times. And there you have it, your first treble crochet. Let's do it again. Yarn over twice, insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over, pull through, 4 left, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Keep going. Yarn over twice, insert your hook into the chain, yarn over, mine just folds there, 4 left, yarn over, 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Okay, again, yarn over twice, insert your hook. See, mine just folds there, but if yours doesn't, yarn over, pull through, 4 left, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and you can see that it's getting taller. Yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, a couple more times, yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, one more time, yarn over twice, insert your hook, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So here is our treble crochet. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. If you have questions, we'll answer them. If you have comments, we'll read them. See you next time.